Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. For CTET December 2023 examination, Global Online application has come up with a complete course for the paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. In this particular series, we have started with the mathematics, paper 1 as well as paper 2 syllabus. In this, we have started with the topic named as lines and angles. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about the questions based on the angles, and specifically, I'll be explaining you the concept based upon the questions, okay? So this is the session number 13. If you haven't watched my previous video, please do watch it because this is going to help you a lot for your preparation of the upcoming CTET December 2023. So if you're targeting for the CTET December 2023 examination, Global Online application has come up with a complete course for the paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. In this particular course, you'll be provided with the following features. The very first one is the full syllabus video lectures will be provided to you. This video lectures are going to help you a lot for clearing all your concepts. As well as students, the educator will share you lots of tips and tricks in these lectures, okay? So this is going to help you a lot throughout your preparation. Full syllabus notes will be provided to you in the form of PDF, which is easily downloaded through your mobile phone as well. 50 plus mock tests are provided. These mock tests are going to help you to check your preparation, the level of your preparation. Along with the students, the question asked in the mock test can be directly replicated in the examination as well. Hence this is a very important feature. Along with this, you'll be provided with the full syllabus MCQ PDF. Again, this is easily downloaded through the mobile phone. So this compilation of the MCQs is exam relevant, and most important and most exam relevant MCQs are designed in this particular PDF. The course fees for all the above features is rupees 3000 rupees. This fees is for the paper 1 and for the paper 2, compiled paper 1 and paper 2 course fees. If you're targeting for the individual paper, that is paper 1 or paper 2, the course fees is 2000 rupees only, okay? You just have to contact us on this given WhatsApp number for further more details for the enrollment of the course. At the same time, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store, okay? So this was the question number 5 in the previous lecture that I have given you as a homework. In the given figure, A, B, C, D, E, F are the three lines concurrent at O, okay? Find the value of Y. Basically, there are three lines which are actually intersecting each other at one common point, that is O, okay? And we have to find the value of Y over here, okay? Now understand from the given figure, okay, angle AOE is equal to angle BOF. Look here in the diagram. Angle AOE, it means this one, okay? Angle AOE is equal to angle BOF. Angle BOF, it means this one, okay? Basically, these two angles are called as vertically opposite angles, okay? So whenever a vertical opposite angle are seen, you can use this property for solving the question, that is angle AOE. Just a minute please. Okay, better. Angle AOE is equal to angle BOF. Why is it equal? Because these are the vertically opposite angle. So if you know here that angle BOF is 5y, hence we can conclude that angle AOF is also going to be 5y. This property is vertically opposite angles, okay? So you can write in bracket as well, vertically opposite angles, okay? Nextly, also if we look at the figure carefully, COD is a straight line. Look here, COD is a straight line, and the corresponding angle of these will form the linear pair. That is, look here now, angle COE plus angle AOE plus angle DOA or AOD, this is equal to 180 degree. Basically, angle here, these three angles which I have mentioned here are the corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles formed on a straight line CD, and their summation is equal to 180 degree. They are basically forming the linear pair, okay? So we know the value of AOE as well as COE and AOD. The value of COE given in the figure is 2y plus AOE is 5y plus 2y. This will give me 180 degree. So 9y is equal to 180 degree, then the value of y will be equal to 180 divided by 9, that is equal to 20 degree. So from this we can find the value of y. If we know the property of vertically opposite angles and based on a straight line CD, these particular corresponding angles are forming linear pair. So based on this, the summation of the corresponding angles forming linear pair is equal to 180 degree, we know that. So based on only these two properties we can solve this whole question. Okay, this was quite easy. Moving on to the next question, students. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines and the difference of the two interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 20 degree, find the angles. Okay, so let us consider, as per the diagram, let A and B be the two interior angles. Okay, let these be the two interior angles which has been already mentioned in the figure. Okay, these are the two interior angles, and A and B are two interior angles. Basically these are on the same side of the transversal. This is transversal, this one is called as transversal, this line N is the transversal. Okay, next, now according to the given figure over here, A minus B is equal to 20 degree, because the difference is mentioned of these interior angles, that is equal to 20 degree. Hence I have taken A minus B is equal to 20 degree. From this we can conclude that B is equal to A minus 20 degree. Okay, I have taken 20 on the other side. So A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Why A plus B is equal to 180 degree? Because this is the property where the interior angle summation which is made up by the transversal is 180 degree. So you can write the sum of interior angles. I'm so sorry if my handwriting is not visible to you guys, I'll just dictate it. Okay, the sum of the interior angles due to the transversal, this is equal to 180 degree. Okay, due to the transversal. So here I can just submit this particular value in this equation, where A plus A minus 20 degree will give me 180 degree. As we know, B is equal to A minus 20 degree. I have just put the value of B in this given equation. Okay, so I'll get 2A is equal to 180 plus 20, that is equal to 200 degree. So value of A will be 100 degree. Okay, so if the value of A is 100 degree, we can conclude that the value of B is equal to 100 degree minus 20 degree, that is equal to 80 degree. So these are the two required interior angles, that is angle A is equal to 100 degree and angle B is equal to 80 degree. So to solve this question, you just need to understand again what is the property of the summation of the interior angles formed by the transversal. Only this was required here. Okay, so based on this we have solved the whole question. Okay, so moving on to the next question, students. So this is a different category of question. These are the important questions, okay, that can be asked again in the examination. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, we have to find the angle of BOE and the reflex COE. Okay, so from the given figure we can clearly see over here, I'll write yes, angle AOC, angle BOE. Please look at the angles which I am mentioning over here, angle COE and okay, angle COE, angle BOD and BOE. Just look at these angles. These are form a straight line each. Okay, so angle AOC, BOE and COE, similarly COE, BOD and BOE. Okay, so we know that the summation of all these angle will be equal to 180 degree. Just now we have seen, so angle AOC plus angle BOE, okay, plus angle COE is equal to angle COE plus angle BOD plus angle BOE. Basically these are forming on a straight line, and we know that they will form a linear pair, and the summation of all these angles is equal to 180 degree. So for these group and for this group of angles, the summation is also going to be 180 degree, which I have mentioned here. Okay, now if we substitute the value, that is angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree as per the given question, and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. This is the data given in the question. If I submit it over here and here, what I am going to get is, try to understand now, 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and the other I'll get here is angle COE will be equal to 180 degree minus 70, that is 110 degree. Okay, nextly 100 and from if I submit now this value, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree in this particular summation. Okay, so I'll get here 110 degree plus, because angle COE right now we have got the value, that is 110, angle BOD we know it is equal to 40 degree, plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. So from this we can clearly say that angle BOE is equal to 180 degree minus 110 plus 40. This means this will give me 30 degree. So the value of angle BOE and COE is equal to 110 and 30 degree respectively. Okay, this was the important question. This is again asked in your exam. This can be asked in your examination for paper 2 especially. Okay, so moving on to the next question. In the figure, line XY and MN intersect at point O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is given in the ratio 2 is to 3, we have to find the C. Now we know the summation of the linear pair is always equal to 180 degree, and based on this fact only we are going to solve this particular question. Now look here, angle POY plus A plus B is equal to 180 degree, because this is forming the linear pair. Angle POY plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. If I substitute POY as 90 degree, I'll get 90 degree plus A plus B is equal to 180 degree. So from this I'll get the summation of angle A plus B is equal to 180 degree minus 90, that will give me 90 degree. Okay, now in the given question they have given us the ratio A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Let us consider the A angle as 2x and the B angle as 3x. Okay, so summation of A plus summation of B, as right now we have find it out over here, is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so if I solve this, I'll get 5x is equal to 90 degree. This will give me x is equal to 18 degree. Okay, if I substitute this value of x, I'll get here 2x is equal to 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. Okay, 18 threes are 54 degree. Okay, I'll get the respective values. Similarly, if B can be calculated and the values will be, B is equal to, if I substitute the value in this equation, I'll get the value of B as well. B is equal to 3 into 18, that is equal to 54. So we know, I have solved this already, right? Okay, so B plus C is equal to 180 degree. We know this because B plus C forms again a straight angle from the diagram. So here we will get C is equal to 180 degree. We know the value of B now, that is equal to 54 degree. I'll substitute over here. I'll get the value of C is equal to 126 degree. Okay, so based upon the given data, again based upon 2-3 properties, we can clearly solve this question. Very simple question it was. Again, moving on to the next question, students. In the given figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, QS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is half of the angle QOS minus POS. This type of questions are actually not asked in the examination, but here I'll tell you what type of concepts are used. Okay, because the concepts are important for us. Now here we know that from the figure, OR is perpendicular to PQ and angle POQ is equal to 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. POQ matlab a straight line, complete one. This is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so from this we can clearly see again, so POS plus angle ROS plus angle ROQ, these are forming the linear pair, and we know their summation is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so angle POS plus angle something went wrong, right? No, right, it is right. ROS will give me angle 180 degree minus 90 degree. As we know that, now look here, we know the value of angle POQ. Okay, if we know the angle of POQ over here, we can know that angle POR is equal to angle ROQ. This is equal to 90 degree, and I have substituted it over here. Okay, so angle POS plus ROS is equal to 90 degree. We have got it. Okay, similarly now we know this, that angle QOS is equal to angle ROQ plus angle ROS, and given in the figure that angle ROS is equal to 90 degree, so we can find the value of angle QOS is equal to 90 degree plus angle ROS. Okay, so ROQ is equal to 90 degree, not ROS. Okay, so here I'll get OS minus angle ROS, this is equal to 90 degree. This is equal to 90 degree. From this we have got it. As we know at the same time that angle POS plus angle ROS is equal to 90 degree, and we know QOS minus ROS is equal to 90 degree. So here we can conclude POS plus angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle ROS. Okay, because both are 90 degrees, so I have compared both the equation. This will give me 2 angle ROS plus angle POS is equal to angle QOS. Okay, hence we can clearly prove from here that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, so this type of questions are actually not asked. I have just given you this question just to understand the concept behind it. Okay, they will ask you to find the value instead of proving anything. Okay, so such questions are not asked. Moving on to the next question, students, I'll give you this question as a homework. Please try to solve it. In the given figure, angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced due to the point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If the ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find XYQ and reflects QYP. Again, this type of question is not asked, but the concept behind it is very much important. Okay, so this was the end of today's session. Thank you for joining it. If you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe it, so whenever we'll come live, then you'll get the notification over there. Thank you for joining the session. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.